Punctuation. How to use correctly.
What is punctuation? Punctuation is the marks which are used in writing, and it helps readers understand their reading easily. The most used punctuation marks are question mark, full stop, comma, colon, semicolon, brackets, exclamation mark, and quotation, etc. For example, can she speak German? Question mark here. She is learning English, full stop.
Important rules of using punctuation we should know.
Punctuation marks. Apostrophe. A. Possessive. We use an apostrophe to show that someone or something belongs to someone or something. For example, Alex's father is a good English teacher. B. Missing letter. An apostrophe is used to indicate that one or more letters have been left out of a word. For example, today it's cold outside. Punctuation marks. Apostrophe. C. Special plural. Some words which do not usually have a plural form, but we use an apostrophe when they are used in a plural form. For example, it's a great idea, but there are a lot of ifs. Punctuation marks. Comma. We use comma to separate a list of similar words or phrases in a sentence. It's also used to separate clauses. For example, we should write in clear, simple, accurate words. If you get cold, you need to wear a jacket. Punctuation marks. Colon. A colon is used to introduce an example, explanation, list, further details, quotation, and text in a sentence, etc. For example, I decided not to go on holiday. I had too little money. She is interested in one thing, playing chess. Punctuation marks, semicolon. A semicolon is used to separate words in a list or to main clauses in a sentence. For example, some people work best in the evening, others do better in the morning. She ran after the monkey, it ran up a tree. Punctuation marks, question mark. A question mark is used at the end of a question to make clear that what is said is a question. We don't use a full stop when we use a question mark. For example, why does she make so many mistakes? Where do you live? Punctuation marks. Quotation mark. A quotation mark is used to enclose direct speech or quotation with a pair of single or double quotation marks. It is also called inverted comma in British English. For example, she said, "Where can we find an Italian restaurant?" Or she said, "Where can we find an Italian restaurant?" Prince Hamlet said, "To be or not to be, that is the question." Punctuation marks. Exclamation mark. An exclamation mark is used to indicate an expression, surprise, anger, or excitement. It's also called exclamation points in American English. For example, "Oh no, I can't believe that. Look at her there," she shouted. Punctuation marks. Brackets. A bracket is used to enclose additional information in a sentence or surrounds information that interrupts a sentence. It's also called parenthesis in American English. For example, he is a great friend of ours. She was so happy to see them. Punctuation marks, hyphen. A hyphen is used to join syllables, words, or pair of words in a sentence. For example, she is looking for a cat-friendly hotel. This rock-hard cake is difficult to eat. Punctuation marks, full stop. Full stop is used to mark the end of a sentence. It's also called period in American English. For example, he lives in London. He likes eating mango. Punctuation marks. Dash. The dash is wider than hyphen. The dash can be used in similar ways to colon or semicolon. It also can be used to indicate a range of numbers, dates, or time. For example, you will find the punctuation marks in chapters between 4 and 5. Professor Maya holds the office hours every Monday between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. Punctuation marks. Ellipsis. The ellipsis is used to represent an unfinished sentence or an omission of text. For example, he never thought. I opened the door and saw a mouse. Other punctuation marks. Asterisk. An asterisk is used to indicate extra information or something interesting or important. For example, she really wants to come over and discuss the matter. At sign. The sign at is used to indicate an email address or to reply someone on Twitter or on Facebook. For example, alex@gmail.com. Other punctuation marks. Angle bracket. An angle bracket is used to enclose information, email, or web address. For example, for more information, you can visit our website learningenglishcolored.blogspot.com. Other punctuation marks. Slash. The slash is used to separate words, numbers, and letters in writing. It's also used to represent alternatives, ranges, ratios, and in website addresses. For example, we slash they slash it 100 km/h. Other punctuation marks. Backslash. The backslash is used for separating letters, words, or numbers in the names of computer files. For example, backslash program files. Ampersand. The ampersand is used to represent the word and. For example, Alex and I will go to visit the Europa Park.
If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends.